Assalamualaikum and good morning to my supervisor and panel. My name is Muhammad Haziq ASHRAF bin Abdul Rashid. Today I would like to present about my project Sarjana Muda entitled EmergencyCar. Instead, in the name, EmergencyCar means one mobile application is built to assist user in searching mechanic. Okay, for the project background, there are some users need to find and dealing with mechanic or automotive company management. After that, they need to waiting for a tow truck to come at location. User also need to waiting within the allotted time to fix the car. Lastly, the way for automotive company promote their services only through website. Why I want to develop this system? This is because people car can be faulty or damaged on the side of the road or suddenly break down and need for help immediately. The damage will not be predictable. Automotive companies also are struggling to find a way to promote the best services for people out there, for those who have the problem with their car. The objective for this system is to develop a mobile application for user, mechanic and web-based for admin. Second, to develop a platform which allow user and automotive company to seek for their demand faster. Third, to make recommendation based on the services provided by the automotive company. And lastly, to make it easier for users to make a transaction for services used via online. There are three target users for this system. First is admin, who use the web platform. Next is user, who use the Android or mobile smartphone. And then the vendor or mechanic also use the mobile application. For the module, there is user module, which is include register and login. Service module, which is user can make a request for the services. Payment module, user easily can integrate payment processing in their wallet. Tracking module, which is this system can detect the user's location by enable the GPS. And approval module, which is admin will approve the vendor registration. So this is the interface design for EmergencyCar. Admin use web-based platform and mobile app for user and vendor. Next is enhancements. For PSM1, for admin, I get register and login schedule, search vendor and vendor job list, and also update the vendor. For vendor, can register and login schedule, update their profile, pick up the request job. For the user, they can register and login schedule, update their profile, request the service, the location detection, top up their balance in wallet, and also can rate this application. For PSM2 enhancement, for the vendor, they can pop up the notification and need to confirm the payment and get the payment, and also the service progress status will show. For the user, the notification for payment will pop up. Service payment, need to make a payment, and service progress status will show. That is for PSM2 enhancements. Now the overall flow of EmergencyCar can be concluded here. First, vendor register on EmergencyCar. Second, admin will verify vendor registration. Third, user request the service, and then vendor can get the job and do the job. After that, user make the payment. Lastly, vendor can receive the payment. After that, finish all the job. The detail of the system will be included inside the report. Now let's proceed to the demo of the system. This is the admin main page. Here the information of the system, service and admin information. This is the services provided, and this is the admin information. Now admin will log in. Admin also can register. They will enter the data as usual here and register. As for the PSM1 progress, I already show the register progress, so I used to skip this part and go to the login. Admin can view the list of vendor approval or not approval yet, and also can view the list of current job vendor. Here there are data of vendor detail. Data of vendor. Admin can search the vendor by name, email or phone number, such as this is the action where admin need to verify the vendor. So if the vendor verified, they can log into the system. And this is the current job of vendor. Admin can view the job list, detailed job list here. Who has done their job? The vendor has done their job. So let's go to the mobile application for user and vendor. This is for user application and this is for vendor application. So I show the user application first. This is the main page for user, same like admin. Here the service provided and the admin information. User can log in and sign up first before login. So I already registered the user and I skip this part, so I log in to the account. This is the page after login. So here we have customer support. They can tell the problem and send to the admin. This is the request service where user can make a request to call the mechanic. They need to fill the location or just tap at the map. So I make one request. Now the location already filled in the text field, so they send. they send to confirm submission. So success. So the request will show the request from user, and the status is waiting for vendor to pick up. And now for vendor, this is the main page for vendor. So they log in, they also can sign up, need to upload their picture and fill up their data. So we just log in. This is the page after login. Have request, job schedule, and transaction. When vendor click for the request detail, show the Shakirin request. So vendor can take this job. Now I take this job and accept. So here is the status is changed to the waiting customer to do payment. After they pick the job, and mechanic will go to location and do the job. So the notification when user click the home button, the notification for payment after the job already done, notification for the payment for user to pay for the vendor jobs. So user need to click the pay button and amount and confirm for the payment. This is the insufficient amount, so user need to top up first to make sure their balance enough. Here in wallet they can top up, so I used to top up 30 ringgit online banking and key in their card number. So successfully top up and the balance already top up. Now when they click for the home button, the notification payment, and they click for the pay and confirm the payment, so user already pay and success for the payment, and this is the rating they can rate for the application and comment for suggestion. And can submit to the admin. So for the request before, the status will change to the waiting vendor to confirm the payment. So at the vendor, when they click for the home button, the payment confirmation, the notification of payment confirmation will show, and vendor need to confirm the payment. So when the vendor click and update, the request, the status already changed to the request done and the job already done. Here the job history, from Muhammad Haziq. This is the previous job and this is the job the vendor take it. So in e-wallet they have the total balance and the payment transaction. They can view their transaction. So this is from Shakirin, make a payment 50 ringgit, and they can transfer to their bank. Just fill in the data. This is the withdraw transaction, and admin and vendor can update their profile. For the user, the balance already moved to the vendor, which is 50 ringgit payment that job. So they just can show the history here. Request done successfully. For the profile, they also can edit data. So that's all from me. Thank you.